it has got selected in the Myntra, Google, Live Space, PayU, and also Browser Stack, and also one international company, that is the Ninja Band Singapore. My resume has been sorted almost all company, even Google too. Google. I would say format must be very good. Like if I say the format, like people can refer my resume. So and one once and the second thing, if you are mentioning anything, like let's say you are mentioning you know the DSA, don't say you know the DSA. You must have some proof, like you have some public coding link, like you have solved this much number of problem on this platform, you have solved this much number of problem on this platform. You must like you have to mention these coding link. So that is, I think, in my case, was very helpful to get shortlist. And also, yes, your project.
तो बात करूँ आपका रेज्यूमे में कौन कौन से कंपनी में सिलेक्ट हुआ था मिंत्रा गूगल के अलावा?
I'll it has got selected in the Myntra, Google, Live Space, PayU, and also Browser Stack, and also one international company, that is the Ninja Band Singapore. And yes, these are the top company. Even Amazon too.
ओके, तो मैं बात करता हूँ
Amazon guy.
ओके तो मैं बात करता हूँ अब लास्ट टॉपिक के बारे में, टिप्स। यानी किसी को रेज्यूमे बनाना होगा जो कि जैसा आपका रेज्यूमे है, तो किस तरह से रेज्यूमे बिल्ड करें, एक शॉर्टकट टिप बता दो आप।
हाँ, यस, शॉर्टकट तो कोई नहीं है, बट आप एक डीडी फॉर्मेट करके है, दैट इज द फेसबुक इंजीनियर, यू कैन फॉलो दैट फॉर्मेट. आई आल्सो फॉलो दैट फॉर्मेट. So you when you Google the DD format resume, you will get it. So that is a latex format. You can follow that. And yes, these are the things, like, and also mention the first mention the like specific format, like first mention your skills, then project, then what are the links you have. Actually, without links, I don't think it is good resume. You must have some kind of links for that is the proof of your skills.
ओके, थैंक यू आशीष। आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही रहने देते हैं।